This video shows you how to unbox the main unit. This task requires 4 people. To begin, pull up on the ends of the plastic bands to remove them. Lift and remove the top cover. Take out the pallet slopes and wheel stoppers and set them aside. Remove the 10 box locks. Remove the side plates and the corner angles. Take off the plastic bag covering the main unit. Use a box cutter to cut the tape on the lower 4 corners of the box. Remove the blue tape attaching the plastic sheet under the main unit. While holding the front corners of the main unit, 2 workers should tilt it back, while another worker removes the lower foam cushioning material and the plastic sheet from underneath. Place a wheel stopper on each front caster to prevent the unit from moving. Then, 2 workers should tilt the main unit to the front, while another worker removes the foam cushioning material and the plastic sheet. Gently lower the main unit back down to the pallet. Remove the wheel stoppers from the front casters. Fold down the back flap of the lower box. Place the pallet slopes into the slots on the lower box. Make sure the slopes are aligned with the rear casters. Slowly roll the main unit down the slopes to the floor. Remove all pieces of blue tape from the exterior and interior of the main unit. Watch the other training videos listed here.